Why does your scanner show the P0110 engine code? What does it mean? P0110 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature circuit malfunction. The P0110 error code indicates a malfunction in the intake air temperature sensor circuit. It means your engine control module is receiving an invalid, erratic, or completely missing voltage signal from the sensor, rather than a standard, out-of-range temperature reading. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues. Faulty IAT sensor. Loose or corroded connectors. ECM or PCM problems. Air leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Nissan, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.